welcome back to smarttzjr.com. I'm your cool online tutor, Adrian Perez, and today we're doing a fun science experiment about density. Density is the amount of space something takes up, also in relation to a matter a substance or object has. The amount of space an object has is its volume, and the amount of matter an object or substance has is its mass. Density is also the mass per unit of volume. If an object is heavy and compact, it has a higher density. To help explain, we're going to do a fun science experiment. First, you get a glass of water and pour it in. And to help you see better, get some blue food coloring or any color you prefer. But don't do green because then it's going to get mixed up with this. Just one drop. Then mix it in well. After that, get a glass of syrup and pour it in. The syrup goes all the way to the bottom because it's denser than the water. After that, you finally get some vegetable oil and pour it in. Leave it settle for about 15 minutes. It's all gonna take just a snap. Hi guys, it just took a snap. Now I'm gonna bring a special girl. And here she comes. It's my sister! So, I'm gonna need your help to finding the density of these objects. So, first, put this metal piece in.
Okay.
Because it has a higher density, it goes all the way to the bottom, also like the syrup. Now, Valeria, get the grape and put it in. It stays in the middle because it has less density than the metal piece. So the grape stays in the middle. Now, Valeria, can you please put in the cap? Push it in. It stays at the it stays at the middle of the vegetable oil. Now, for the finale, will you put the sponge?
Yes.
It stays at the very top because it's the less dense out of all of them. See guys, we just did density with objects and with liquids. Wasn't that fun, guys? Do you think that was fun?
Yeah, and that was awesome. Like, I didn't even know that would work.
Yeah. Now, let's get a better view with a flashlight. You can see all the different layers and different objects in each different layer is all of the different densities. Like the metal thing is all the way at the bottom. The grape is in the middle. Yes, it's less dense than the metal. And the sponge is all the way at the top. Yes, it's less dense of all of them. And the bottle cap is in the middle of the vegetable oil. Yeah. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and like for more awesome videos. Bye guys!